Senator Alan Cayetano is recognized.
Mr. President, first and foremost, I'd like to thank God for the opportunity to serve with all of you. And it's a distinct privilege to serve with the Senate President. You've always been a statesman, at least to me. And I believe even in the bills that we disagree. And when I was majority leader, you were minority leader. When you were minority leader, when you were the majority leader, I was the minority leader. I had the privilege to work with you when you were Senate President and I was Speaker. We disagreed, but we found a way to disagree in private and then work together for the country. So I really admire your statement yesterday saying that you serve at the pleasure of the body. So may I manifest and that there are now at least 13 members of the Senate who wish to have a leadership change, and that Senator Bato de la Rosa is in the building and will be here in a minute. So may I kindly inform and apologize to the Senate President that for security reasons, I could not go up to you earlier to ask you and tell you this, but had to inform you this way. But I give you all my respect and ask for an orderly transition in accordance with our rule, Mr. President. Thank you.
What does the majority leader say?
Mr. President, I move to suspend for 1 minute.
Session suspended.
As sitting president, hinaharang hindi papasukin sa sesyon. Kung ako'y absent, hinahanap ako ninyo. Sumusweldo. Hindi nagpapakita. Ngayon, papakita ko dito. Oh, hinala ko ng mga FBI.
So all of a sudden, why? Sir?
Sugat-sugat ako.
Why are you
So,
here?
pasok. This is the Senate. Wala silang respeto sa institusyon ng Senado. Bakit gano'n ang NBI? Ha?
Ano pong plano niyo, sir, sa ginawa sa inyo, sir?
Pag-usap kami. Yung gagawin namin.
But why are you here, sir? Bakit po kayo napapasok today, sir?
Ay, I'm a senator of this republic. Kung hindi ko papasok, hinahanap niyo ako. Di ba? Ngayon papasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako bakit ako pumapasok.
But sir, may kinalaman sa pag-sir para makabuo ng numbers po.
Lahat yan, trabaho ng senador.
To Senator Joel, who will make a motion, Mr. President.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel Villanueva.
So a roll call vote is in order. The Secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized before. Because once we start the vote, we cannot recognize
yes,
anyone.
Mr. President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
The motion is all positions vacant by
Which positions? Just for the record, Mr. President. All positions of elected of the leadership. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
All right, the Secretary will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You, go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian.
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa. Senator Ejercito. Senator Escudero.
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Hontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Ligarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla. Senator Pangilinan. Senator Tulfo Erwin. Senator Tulfo Rafi. Senator Villanueva. Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri. Senate President Soto.
No. Yeah, hello. 30. With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions, in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
With that, Mr. President, may I move, therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.